If you're wondering whether Instapage or ClickFunnels is the better choice for landing page software, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to break down the key differences between these two platforms and help you make a more informed decision on which one is the best for you. Stick around till the end because we'll also share a better alternative that you might not have considered yet. Let's start with Instapage. Instapage is known for its simplicity and ease of use when it comes to creating high-converting landing pages. The platform gives you a wide array of customizable templates that you can tailor to fit your brand's needs. The drag-and-drop editor is intuitive, and it's designed to help you build landing pages quickly without needing any technical skills. You can also add features like A/B testing, dynamic text replacement, and integrations with email marketing and CRM tools. Next thing, ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels, on the other hand, is much more than just a landing page builder. It's an all-in-one sales funnel platform, so if you're looking to build entire sales funnels, ClickFunnels has you covered. It comes with pre-built funnel templates, making it easy to set up everything from lead generation pages to checkout pages. Plus, ClickFunnels includes additional tools for email automation, membership site management, and affiliate marketing, so it's more of a full-fledged marketing suite. The third thing, pricing. Instapage's pricing is on the higher end, especially if you're just looking for a landing page builder. You'll need to go with their higher tier plans to unlock certain features like A/B testing and additional integrations, which can add up fast. ClickFunnels also comes with a hefty price tag, but again, you're paying for the whole funnel building ecosystem. If you only need landing pages, Instapage might be more cost-effective in the long run, but if you're running a full funnel, ClickFunnels gives you more bang for your buck. Next up, let's talk about integrations. Instapage integrates well with email platforms like MailChimp, Constant Contact, and more, making it easy to follow up with your leads. But it doesn't have the depth of integrations you got with ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels integrates seamlessly with a wider range of apps and tools, email marketing, CRMs, and even payment gateways. This makes ClickFunnels a more robust solution for marketers who want to handle all aspects of their sales funnels in one place. Now, let's look at customer support. Instapage offers decent support, with live chat and email support available. They also have a knowledge base that's helpful but not as extensive as ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels, while also offering email and chat support, has one of the most active and engaged communities online. You can find help in forums, Facebook groups, and even in their exclusive ClickFunnels University where you can get access to marketing resources. The fifth thing, customization. Instapage is fantastic when it comes to customization. The platform is designed to give you full control over the look and feel of your landing pages. ClickFunnels also offers customization, but it's not as flexible as Instapage. The page editor is more rigid, and you're working within the constraints of the templates and funnel setup. So, which one is better for landing pages? If you're focused only on landing pages, Instapage is a clear winner. It's streamlined, focused, and offers an easy way to create high-converting landing pages. But if you're building an entire sales funnel and need a more comprehensive solution, ClickFunnels might be the way to go. But here's the thing, after trying both of these platforms myself, I realized there's a better alternative out there. If you want a more efficient, cost-effective solution for building landing pages and sales funnels, I recommend you check out the link in the description for an exclusive free trial. Through our link, you'll get access to the best trial and some exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. So, while Instapage and ClickFunnels are both great platforms, there's a better choice waiting for you. Don't miss out. Check the first link in the description now and take advantage of the exclusive offer.